Oh my God for today's latest ganap. Miss Sofia Nicole Archangel ng Pilipinas, angat ang ganda sa kanyang latest suot in modern Filipiniana look during the Miss International 2024 Equality Forum na ito ating panuorin.
Experience discrimination and now representing the very beautiful soul of our colorful rainbow. I dream of a world wherein there is no discrimination, there is no inequality. And today is the day that we have to start a change. We have to start a change to create equality for everybody, to create a safe space for everybody. In the Philippines, we are fighting for a bill which is the sexual orientation, gender identity expression, sexual characteristics bill, which has been on the Congress for 23 years and haven't been passed because they think that it's just for the benefit of the LGBT community, while in fact, it is for everybody. And if there's a law for the cisgender community, why wouldn't they pass such a bill? So today I'm standing here together with all of you and 22 empowered individuals from different countries, different stories, and different situations. I know we can make it happen with the help of the Miss International Community Platform. We should make it happen. Thank you.
Mga Biyokoneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.